Across ancient America, strange discoveries raise an impossible question. Did giants once walk this land? Old newspapers describe giant skeletons found in burial mounds, some over 8 feet tall. Native legends speak of powerful beings, too large to fight, wiped out long ago. Yet today, most of these discoveries are missing or dismissed. Smithsonian reports vanished. Bones lost. Stories erased. Were these just myths? Or was an entire chapter of human history quietly buried? Because if giants were real, everything we know about the past changes.